Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, I'm gonna reveal my project for 2023. So let's remove this cover carefully and see what's under it. Ta-da! It's a 2019 Kawasaki Z900 ABS version. So while I'm cleaning, I'm gonna tell you that this bike has only 32,000 miles on it, and yep, obviously it's from a crash. So no other drivers were involved, so just the motorcycle and the rider. So you got a bend on the back, which is her subframe. You get a dent on the tank, which is another problem. The swing arm were good, they were straight as I look on it. So let's move a little bit so we got more space in the back. So yeah, let's get started.